Another important question, we have to find the value of A and B, and the given matrices are 2 4 minus 3A 1B 8 minus 4 is equal to 7 10 18 and 1. We will solve left hand side and multiply 2 with each number, each element. We will get 2 multiplied by 2 4, 2 multiplied by 4 8 minus 6 and 2A plus 3 is multiplied by each number, each element. So we will get 3B 24 and minus 12, which will be equal to 7 10 18 and 1. For comparison, we will add these two matrices. After adding, we will compare elements. First element is added in first, second element 8 is added in second element, minus 6 plus 24 and 2A minus 12 will become equal to 7 10 18 and 1. 4 plus 3 will be equal to 7, remain as 8 plus 3B, it will become 18 and 2A minus 12 will remain same, 7 10 18 and 1. Now we will make comparison between these two matrices. We will get 7 is cancelled with 7 and 18 is cancelled with 18. So we will have two equations. The first one is 8 plus 3B will be equal to 10 and 2A minus 12 will be equal to 1. From these two equations we will get the value of A and B. Here 3B will be equal to 10 minus 8, 3B will be equal to 2, and the value of B will be equal to 2 by 3. Now we will find the value of A, 1 plus 12, 2A will be equal to 13, and the value of A will become 13 by 2. So these are our requirements.